Check, 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 check. Hey everybody, it's Lauren from Hot for Food, and I am making something delicious and cozy and fall inspired. Now, Halloween is around the corner. I don't particularly love making spooky recipes. I think it's stupid. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that. I'm still gonna make something pumpkin-y. I love pumpkin. In fact, I have tons of pumpkin recipes on hotforfoodblog.com, so go check them out. You just search pumpkin and a bunch of things will come up, like pumpkin chowder, cheesy pumpkin rolls, pumpkin cheese dip, lots of stuff. Today, I'm gonna make vegan pumpkin lasagna. Ooh, it is a pumpkin-y spice twist on lasagna, and I love a good lasagna. They're super easy to put together, throw together. They feed a lot of people. Leftovers are amazing. So let's get into how to do this. First, you're gonna make like a tofu ricotta mixture. You're gonna crumble a brick of tofu into a mixing bowl. We are going to chop up some fresh herbs, some basil and sage. And I'm using these wonderful knives from Nakano from Japan, Japanese handcrafted knives, and you can use my discount code to get your very own lovely knives. They're sharp, they're sleek, they're modern. I love them. Check out the link in the description to go to the Nakano website. Chop up your fresh herbs finely. In addition to the fresh herbs, you're going to also add to the tofu some nutritional yeast, as well as some minced garlic. You'll want to mince that up with a sharp knife as well. We'll add olive oil and lemon juice, and then sea salt and ground pepper. Then mix this up with a fork or a spoon, and you can put this in the fridge. You can even make this a day ahead if you want. Now we're gonna make the pumpkin bechamel. So you'll need a blender, high-powered blender preferred. We're just gonna use canned pumpkin, super easy. Everyone usually has this lying around in the pantry. So one can is about 1 3/4 cups. So put the whole can in the blender, add some unsweetened non-dairy milk, some nutritional yeast, cornstarch, white miso paste. This is a key ingredient. And then your pumpkin-y spices, some cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice is going in as well, and then salt and pepper. Now blend this until it's very smooth. You might need to stop and start just to scrape down the sides. It is a bit of a thick mixture. Blend it long enough so that it's very smooth and well mixed. And now we're basically ready to assemble. So preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. I'm using an 11 by 8 inch glass casserole dish. We're gonna brush a tablespoon of olive oil all along the bottom and sides. Then add half a cup of the bechamel sauce. Spread that evenly along the bottom. Add a layer of noodles. You're using oven-ready noodles. This means they go in dry. You don't have to boil them. Add about 2 cups of the tofu ricotta mixture. Then you're gonna add a cup of vegan mozzarella cheese shreds in an even layer. And then I'm using frozen spinach. You don't have to let this thaw. It's frozen chopped spinach. Add about 1 1/2 cups in an even layer. Now you're gonna dollop some of the pumpkin bechamel. It's about 3/4 cups here. Just dollop it. Press the noodles in another layer. Then spread about another 3/4 of a cup of the bechamel over top of the noodles. And then repeat this again. Tofu ricotta, vegan mozzarella, spinach, dollops of sauce, another layer of noodles. This is your final layer. Spread the remaining bechamel on top, and then you're gonna add whatever's left of the mozzarella shreds as the topping, as well as 1 cup of vegan Parmesan shreds. I like using Parmesan on top. I find it also can get a little crispier when you broil it at the end. So now you're gonna cover this in foil. I like to tent it just a little bit so the cheese doesn't stick to the foil. Put this in the oven for 50 minutes, set your timer, and then at the end you can do about 10 minutes. Of that 10 minutes, I like to do about 5 minutes under the broiler, just to get the top golden brown and until the sides are bubbling, and then you can take it out. And there you have a wonderfully scrumptious pumpkin lasagna, all vegan, dairy-free, delicious. You could even use gluten-free noodles if you wanted here to make it gluten-free and vegan. Very healthy with the pumpkin, the protein from the tofu, the fresh herbs, the spinach. I love this. I know not everyone's a fan of pumpkin, but I know a lot of people are, and I am just so stoked to dive into this because I'll let you in on a little secret. This is the first time I'm making this, but I knew it would work. I had like this higher power telling me. So I haven't actually tested this other than right now, and I'm rushing to get you this content. Yeah. Now I did taste the bechamel before I used it. Yeah. This is just such an amazing change from the tomato lasagna. Like sometimes, I forget where and when I said this, but I was like, I don't love tomato sauce on pasta. I do sometimes, but other times I just can't handle it. I want something creamier, white sauce, richer, more like savory, spicy, and that's what this is. Wow. Also, the tofu ricotta is based on my recipe from my perfect vegan lasagna recipe, which is a tomato-based lasagna. So if you want to make that, go right ahead. Also on the blog. But I love the fall spices in here. It kind of, as it was baking, smelled sweet, like a sweet recipe kind of. And now it's just like full-on savory. Well, I'm starving. I'm going to eat this whole thing. Thank you to Nakano for sending me an amazing Japanese knife set. They did gift that to me, and they also gave me this promo code so you can get a discount on your purchase. Great for the upcoming holidays, for gift giving. It's a very nice high-end gift for the foodie chef in your life. So check that out in the link below. I am done for now. Go to hotforfoodblog.com for the recipe. It's linked in the cards and linked below in the description. What else? Oh yes, if you're not a member of Eat It by Hot for Food, this is my members only blog. So you have to pay to become a member. You can become an annual member for $41.50 US, and you get access to everything that's ever been released on the member site, including the new issue, Easiest Holiday Ever, which includes recipes for you to create the easiest holiday feast you ever have. So these are easy recipes. I have a biscuit-topped vegetable pot pie recipe. I have Loft House style sugar cookies that look like pretty little snowballs. I have the easiest ever molten chocolate cakes, which you make in the microwave. They're delicious. I tested the oven, the microwave is better. Really fun recipes on the member blog, exclusive to members only. So thank you to all those out there who are already members. There's quite a few of you. I would love to welcome more. And I've got 2 giveaways for annual paying members. I draw for this at the end of December. So you get a 14-day free trial, so sign up now, but pay for the membership when it kicks in, and then you'll be automatically entered in to win one of these 2 prizes. Very high value prizes. Again, culinary, foodie inspired gifts. And there's giveaways every issue. I release 4 issues a year to the member blog, so it's a lot of content, exclusive vlogs, recipes, cooking videos, and I do live cooking hangouts as well every issue. So there'll be one coming up for the Easiest Holiday Ever issue. So sign up now. I would love to welcome you as a member. You'll also get added to my IG close friends list on @hotforfood on Instagram, where I show behind the scenes and I do surveys and I ask you what you want me to make. So you do get a lot of say, and I take your feedback very seriously. So I just wanted to plug that. It's called Eat It by Hot for Food. I'll see you over there. Go make this vegan pumpkin lasagna. Tag me in it if you make it. Post it on social @hotforfood, @LaurenToyota. I'll reshare it. And anything else you're making from Hot for Food for the holidays, for Thanksgiving and upcoming Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever, let me know. Okay, I'll be back with more content soon. I'm trying to do like every week, every other week. Check out my personal channel, Lauren in Real Life. I've got vlogs over there. I'm actually doing this crazy like manifestation 30-day challenge called 30 Days of Delulu. You may have noticed if you follow Hot for Food, because I'm cross-posting to that account as well. But it's all about, you know, manifesting your life, posting as though your dreams and desires are your reality. If that's a little over your head, just skip on over that, but go head over to my personal channel if you are curious, because I'm doing a deep dive over there. All right, love you all. I'll see you later. Peace.